The East Kimberley is one of the most spectacular parts of Western Australia. Well known for its incredible landscapes, its strong tourism sector, and also very strong regional community. This is one of those places where transport infrastructure is absolutely critical. And Kununurra and the greater surrounds have enjoyed significant investment in major infrastructure projects over the last few years. This is securing the future of the East Kimberley. Access to the region is available by road or air, with the East Kimberley Regional Airport upgrade forming part of the state government's Regional Airport Pavement Upgrades program. The project is being delivered in partnership with the Australian Government through the Growing Regions program to strengthen aviation infrastructure right across regional Western Australia. This project included extending the existing runway length, allowing larger aircraft to operate without the previously in place passenger and weight restrictions. And the benefits reach far beyond just the airport itself. Improved aviation access helps strengthen connectivity in the region, supporting tourism, local businesses, freight services and regional communities throughout the East Kimberley. Vernon Lawrence is the CEO of the Shire of Wyndham, East Kimberley. So Vernon, what does the airport infrastructure upgrade mean for the region?
The airport upgrade is absolutely critical for our region. The airport is such a hub for everything that happens up here. So whether it's tourism, whether it's economic development, whether it's connectivity, livability issues, the airport allows us to connect down to family, skills, medical services. So it's absolutely critical that we have a well-functioning airport for our community.
So Vernon, how about showing me around?
Yeah, come, let's have a walk.
Okay. For tourism operators and businesses across the region, improved transport infrastructure creates stronger opportunities for future growth. Better connectivity supports increased visitation, improved freight access and more efficient movement throughout northern Western Australia, not to mention enhanced access to air travel. And in remote areas like the Kimberley, reliable transport infrastructure plays an important role in everyday life. And what are the roads up here like, I hear you ask? Well, they've done significant upgrades right through the East Kimberley, and this has opened areas up like we've never seen before, giving us access to places that are just so beautiful. And speaking of the roads, road trains are a very big part of life up here, moving goods in and out. And just outside of Kununurra, a brand new road train assembly area has been set up, really setting a pathway forward for a whole new exciting future when it comes to road access. Delivered in partnership between the state and federal government, the roadside facility provides a dedicated location for heavy haulage truck assembly. The site can accommodate up to 15 triple road trains and is conveniently located close to fuel, food and other important services for the drivers. From major aviation infrastructure upgrades to better freight facilities, these improvements are making a stronger and better community up here in the East Kimberley for all of us who love visiting and exploring this region. Let's face it, Western Australia is a huge place, so maintaining and upgrading the facilities that we've got is critically important to regional community development. If you want to know anything more about this project or any of the major infrastructure projects going on around regional Western Australia, simply check out this website.